Hey everybody, hopefully everybody can hear me. How we doing? Happy Friday to everybody. Yes, I know, it sounds crazy. I am doing open house signs, putting them up for the team for the weekend. I got my kids this weekend, so unfortunately I cannot do an open house. So I am helping out. We got a listing that we have over here in Lenore, and came out, put up some signs for the team for the weekend. We got open houses coming up Saturday from, you'd think I would know this, 12 to 2, and then Sunday 2 to 4. The address and the posts are going to be put up on my Facebook that you see here. But the reason why I'm doing this post is actually brought me back to my old days of when I used to do open houses and the open house etiquette and why it's so important. So over here, if I can turn the camera around, if I know how to do it, we have an open house, but I gotta put up a sign, and I don't know if you can see my sign, but it's right down here. But the thing is, it's on somebody's personal property. Well, I was always taught back in the day, when you do that, you should go knock on their house, because I'm pretty sure most people do not knock on anybody's house when you are actually putting up a sign on their personal property. Why do you do that? Is because it separates yourself from other agents when they do open houses, and you never know what could take place, and this is a perfect example. I went over, I knocked on this lady's house, had a conversation with her. She asked me what I was doing, and I said I wanted your permission to put an open house sign on your property for our client this weekend. She goes, "Oh my goodness, nobody's ever asked me before." I said, "Well, here I am." And she says, "You know what? I actually been thinking about selling my house. Can you give me information about my house, or can you put me," I can't remember exactly verbatim, but she's like, "I'm actually thinking about selling. Would you be able to give me some information?" So, just like that, a potential client has just pulled inside of my lap because I asked for permission. Sometimes we forget the open house etiquette of going on people's personal property to be able to put up signs, especially at corners. So it just gives you an opportunity to door knock, gives you an opportunity, you're already out here, to meet people, and you never know, you could pull up some inventory, pull up a listing, to able to help either a potential buyer that you got, or to get yourself another listing. So, food for thought for you, for those doing open houses this weekend, and the open house etiquette that was taught to me back in the day, and still using it today, and it still works. So, just wanted to give you that quick little update of what I got going on. Hope you guys have a great weekend. If you're happen to be around here, it's $290,000 ranch home. It's got a pool, shed, cul-de-sac, beautiful home, little ranch home. So, just want to share with you the open house etiquette on what to do so you can possibly get yourself a next listing. All right, guys, have a good one. Have a great weekend. See you soon. Bye.